Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can save album pictures from Grindr. Watch the video till the end. To save album pics from Grindr, firstly go ahead and open your Grindr application. The home page of Grindr application will appear on the screen. Click on profile icon at the top left corner of the page and tap on My Albums option. Tap on the album. On the next page, tap on the picture that you would like to save. The feature to save a picture from your Grindr's account has not been updated, so what you can do is take a screenshot of the picture, and that is how you will be able to save your album pics from Grindr quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.